Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Shadow and Bone season 1, episode 6. I just watched today's episodes 4 and 5. If you want to see my reaction videos about that, I'm gonna put the links into the eye. The last episode was so great. I'm still shocked about it, about what we learned into it. During the review of the last episode, I said that, you know, the discussion between Barga and Kirigan confused me because I was like, okay, when you said all of that to Alina, when you said the truth about who Kirigan is, the fact that he is in fact the heretic, he is also your son, he created the Fold, he wants to control you because he wants to expand the Fold, he created also the creatures into the Fold, the Volcra and all, and he wants also the Stag to amplify his power. I was like, that's it, that's everything that I was missing, that was everything that I was feeling without knowing it, because I had this gut feeling about Kirigan. I believed, and I still believe into his feelings for Alina. I believed everything that he said to her, and I still believe a big part of it. You are telling the truth, I believe what you are saying and how you are with Alina, but I don't believe you, I don't trust you. Why do I have that gut feeling that something is missing about you? And I was like, maybe it's because of the mysterious card, maybe it's because of the fact that for now into the show the Fold is representing the villain, but it can't be. There is a villain into shows like that, so who is gonna be the villain? So maybe that's why I had these suspicions for him. So when his mother said all of that to Alina, I was like, that's it, that's what I was missing, that's it. Now I know who he is and why I had this feeling about him. And also I said it, I had the impression that this story could go deeper and further, like I had the impression that we were just discovering the top of the iceberg and that at some point everything would be revealed, it would go further and deeper. So again, when she said all of that, I was like, that's it, that's what I was saying. Okay, now I know what I was missing, I know where we are going also with the story. But after that, when she talked with her son, what he told her was confusing me, because I was like, he's repeating everything that he said to Alina, in fact. So I was confused by that. Maybe she didn't tell the truth to Alina, it confused me. But between episodes, I thought about it again. No, I'm convinced that is what she said, her son for sure, that he confirmed it, but also the Grisha who created the Fold and the creatures into the Fold, this Volcra, is the heretic. And he wanted Alina to control her, to expand the Fold, he wants the Stag to amplify his power, he wants the powers. That's it. I believe into that. It's not a theory. I was gonna say into that theory, but no, it's not a theory, it's the truth. But still, I think that he had feelings for Alina at some point. But what he did to Mal, how he was so impatient to have the Stag and everything like that, like, I was right to not trust you, and I'm glad that Alina escaped. I don't know, you know what is gonna happen right now with Alina, because she escaped. That was so fun. She escaped with Jesper, Inej and Kaz. She escaped with the ones who are trying to capture her since the beginning, to sell her, you know, to have money, to exchange her for money. But now Inej saw that she's a true sun summoner, and we know that she's a believer, so I don't know what it meant for her to discover that. Is it gonna change things? I think that it can. I think that it can be an issue now for the group to agree on what to do with Alina. And Alina, Oh, she's gonna be so lost. I mean, they took her away from her friends from Mal. She believed in Kirigan and she believed also in her training and all. And she was ready to erase Mal. She was convincing herself that her memories with him meant nothing. She was also forgetting him on purpose. She was abandoning face up to see him again, to be reunited with him. She was forgetting him and I didn't appreciate that. I said it during the last episode. She put all of her trust on Kirigan and just right there she learned that everything that she thought about him was wrong, that she was used and that she has to escape, but she can't go back to where she thinks that Mal is because he's into the army, you know, officially, so they could search for her right there, they could trap her right there, so for now she's gonna be really lost. One thing which is great is the fact that Mal in fact is not with the army anymore. I think that he's gonna track her and that's great. I hope that he's gonna find her, but I'm sad in advance for when it's gonna happen and when he's gonna understand also what happened for her during that time. The fact that she tried to erase him in a way. The fact that she wrote to him, "You're my true north," at the end of one episode and at the end of the next one he's saying the same, but her, she already moved on and she was already trying to erase him. I didn't like that. But I'm still shipping them because I still think that their bond is strong, really. You know, I'm ready to give her the benefits of the doubt and how she's gonna act during this episode, and I think also during our reunion with Mal is gonna be important for me to judge her in a way and to know if I'm gonna continue to ship them or not. If I'm not gonna continue to ship them, no worries, I'm gonna continue to love these characters no matter what, but that's gonna be different. It's really gonna depend on how she's gonna act right now, if she's gonna feel guilty. I hope that she's gonna feel guilty a little. Not much because she was manipulated, brainwashed her in a way, so I hope that she's not gonna feel really guilty, not too much, but a little, still. For Mal, I hope a little. For believing into what Kirigan said and all, it's like that, you know. If I would have been her, I would have believed into it. I believed into it. I didn't suspect everything that Baghra said, so that's okay. Inej killed someone for Kaz, for saving Kaz. That means a lot because she killed someone and that was something forbidden for her. I think that she made that promise to herself or to someone to not kill anyone. So, or maybe it's just a question of faith, you know, because she's a believer and all, maybe that was something like that. But I don't think so, because in the army we met other believers. I don't know, but that's something important for her and I hope that we're gonna have information about that. And the fact that she did it for Kaz, it means also something. I cannot wait to discover the dynamic of the group, you know, with Alina, how they're gonna treat her. Inej, that's gonna be interesting, how she's gonna treat her. And what are they gonna do with her now? That's gonna be interesting, I cannot wait, and I'm really excited just to discover that, you know, Alina getting out of this box and the three of them being like, hello, in fact we were there to capture you and you fall into our arms just like that. I cannot wait, really. I'm excited to discover this episode. And yes, I have to stop the intro right now because the sun also is going down and I have also my session of sport in 1 hour, so I need to be quicker. Let's go for this episode. My session of sport, you know, was still in confinement, curfew, something like that in France, so it's at my home, but still, you know, I'm keeping schedule during this weird year that we had. At this hour I'm making my sport, so I hope that I'm not gonna be late for the rendezvous in French, that I created for myself for my sport sessions. Ah, it was water or a shadow? Water, no?
walked into that room, they were gone and seemed to... It was unspeakable. How much of that is true?
I don't know about him and what he's saying, which side he is and what he screamed. Stop.
You are the conductor.
You know him?
You smuggle Grisha out of my palace!
To not be your slaves.
Spy. Nina Zen.
Nina
Last report we had
was your spy.
crossing the fold. She was waiting to meet them all. Poor Nina. Has not been heard from since.
She has a Stockholm syndrome on a boat with Fjerdan.
You struck a deal with these three thieves to kidnap Alina Stockholm. From their relationship with a certain West Ravkan general. So you made another deal.
Ah!
The prize to bring her back to Kazdan was $1 million. Split 4 way, we half that. I'll get revenge for you. I can get close. Does that happen?
That's interesting because it's politic issues meeting the stories. I love that. You can't be
I can
trusted
help.
as a conductor, you know.
I can help.
Come on! You think that you can escape? Hello!
Just feel my way. Clearly, you want out of East Rock. First travel alone.
You're gonna play that card?
You stick with us. Everybody gets what they want. Let me pass. I'm afraid we can't let that happen.
Ooh! Ines?
Jennifer, I found Alina. Where is my son?
You're not saying where is Alina?
Alina's in.
Where is my Sansamana? Like she is yours.
We have a witch hunter in their ranks. Matthias Kamler. We lost track of the ship after that. Reach the western coast, go as far north as you can, back any Grisha you find. And behind that, you bring me one of theirs. I'll find her.
Wow, that you? She saved you. Kind of. Why are you so important for Kirigan, Nina? He has a lot of other Grisha art render.
And now I'm leading a team to pursue the criminals who took this stuff. If I'm lucky.
Of course.
And recruit Ivan, the Inferni twin for Lena and
David? Yes.
Yes. I'll need him for what comes next. But first we need to camp
Or
across the
what
farm.
comes next?
Maybe she was rescued. Maybe she went with them.
I want myself today.
He used to call on me.
For doing what?
The table was messy and the bed was neat. I'd help you make it the other way around.
Aha.
Get yourself a nap.
I shall relax
Alone.
when I have Alina.
I believe your feelings for Alina. But I don't like you, I don't trust you. And Zoya... Zoya is pissed. Calm down. Woo! I'm getting tired of this too.
So far from Shanghai,
Can you stop the racist
you come inside.
lines about the origins of people, but also if they are Grisha or not? And you just choose your power. Alina? Are you sure of what you're doing right now? I think that they can track you easily into the woods. Okay, it was just me. No, I didn't scream. Shut up. Oh, oh no, not you.
power to help keep you warm. Ah, no. Not in those wet clothes. Off.
It's almost, you know, her attitude, she's playing the Ygritte
You know,
from Game of Thrones
special.
of Shadow and Bone. You know nothing, Jon Snow. So predictable.
Closer.
Are you calmer now?
You've got to bear.
Don't get me wrong, I love her attitude, I can understand how he's functioning because all of his life he was taught to hate the Grecian orc. This relationship is going too far too quick for me. When this one is based on solid...
Where have you been?
What?
I've been tracking you ever since you left the palace the night of the fete.
So now I have your attention. Couldn't even be bothered to reply to a single one of my letters.
He didn't receive them.
I wrote you nearly every single day.
Sure you did. What? Long, heartfelt letters about your exploits with gorgeous scholars.
For real?
How long have you known?
I was Grisha. You thought I knew.
I had my
She
doubts.
was desperate for children.
They would have taken me away.
To a palace, Alina.
They would have split us up.
Oh, I want you guys to read these letters. They were wonderful.
I'm trying to get back to you this whole time. I don't understand.
It did for you.
Jurgen's orders to track it came from your drawings. Thought you were showing me the way to you.
He stole them from my journal. The one amplifier that could rival his power. If not, Grisha claimed it. He wrote me a letter.
It did. The true nurse. That's what I want. Oh.
Thank you for finding me.
Always.
They're on for each other. Right there, I felt it, you know. Ew, that was good. Mal and Alina, Kaz and Inej, that's gonna be slow burn chips, which are gonna kill me. I can already feel it.
We found a living saint who can summon the sun.
And you believe?
Magician. The best illusions are the most convincing. That's the game.
You can hide
Why?
behind her cynicism, but I believe she's a real thing.
Cannot work effectively as a crew if you're making decisions based on religious zeal.
Calm.
Threat to return me to Ellie.
Aline gets the Crow Club and Pekka gets whatever's left.
Calm.
Wait. Why would Ellie get the Crow Club?
Woo! You're gonna say it.
What did you do?
Come on, you're clever.